In conversation with the second prize winners of the Experience Earth Design Competition. The Corridor of Convergence, designed by Yuxin and Veronika Alifanova.
Hello, my name is Veronika.
My name is Yuxin, and we are pleased to answer the questions regarding our project for the Experience Earth Design Competition. Concept and vision. The project understands global interconnectedness as a process of cultural exchange and integration, rather than merely physical connection. This is reflected in the historical interactions of civilizations that shaped societal development. At the core of the narrative is the Silk Road as a network of cultural exchange between East and West. It begins in China and spreads across the world, creating a connection that transcends time and space. Architecturally, this idea is expressed through a system of connections, bridge link different zones and exhibition spaces, turning the building into a modern Silk Road.
Experiential approach. In this project, cultural experience is understood as multi-sensory process. Traditional courtyards, through materials and nature, create an atmosphere that allows visitors to sense tactile and olfactory changes. Stage on the bridge is intended for traditional music and dance, enhancing auditory perception. The central area is used as temporary exhibition space where festivals are presented through textiles, spices, performances, 3D projections, and VR, creating an immersive experience.
Cultural representation. The project relies on historical research and regional analysis to understand the characteristics of every culture and avoid superficial copying. The design emphasizes spatial organization, materials, and festive experiences, abstracting traditional elements and integrating them into modern architectural form, while maintaining respect for cultural differences. Temporary exhibition allow for continuous renewal of displays, turning the museum into an open platform of cultural exchange.
Architectural language. The project balances regional expression and overall coherence through unified system of materials and forms. In the area located on the water, traditional motifs are expressed abstractly. Concrete and curvilinear forms create unity. The area located in the land is based on Asian traditional structures and Chinese spatial characteristics, using the same white concrete to maintain overall cohesion. Consistent material of the bridge also becomes the main connection.
Spatial organization. Zoning and circulation follow the historical sequence of the Silk Road. The continuous path passes through halls of different countries, creating a sense of cultural journey. Each hall has its own atmosphere, while the central temporary exhibition focuses on festivals, show different ways of celebration and enhancing visitors' emotional connection.
Technology and interaction. Technology plays a supporting role in the project and does not dominate visually. Through spatial sound, AR, and other interactive tools, a multi-sensory experience is created that helps visitors to understand historical context without overshadowing the architecture and cultural content.
Sustainability and accessibility. Sustainability and accessibility are integrated from the early design stages. The project considers people with disabilities, elevators, ramp, and universal design ensure equal access to all spaces. From an environmental perspective, passive strategies are used. Water and courtyard create a microclimate that improves ventilation and comfort. The use of durable concrete reduces energy consumption and operational costs.
Message to the world. We hope that the museum will help people to understand better the traditions of different nations, feel the historical depth, and appreciate cultural diversity. This is the meaning of global interconnectedness, acceptance, openness, and respect for differences. That's all.